The ESIF facility opened in 2013, and it was awarded Lab of the Year, and it was an industry leader in this type of laboratory environment. So in that project, we had the opportunity to develop two custom distribution systems, one AC and one DC, and allow them to be able to plug and play different renewable technologies with our distribution system. There's a number of systems that NREL is working on, and those range from electrical vehicle integration, battery energy storage systems, smart home electronics that you can communicate with and that can communicate with the utility. One other area of the facility research is hydrogen. They have the ability to take renewable energy as it's generated. It may not be needed at this moment. A great example of that is wind energy. The largest peak time of wind energy is during the night. And at that time, obviously, our demand is at its lowest point. So they are able to take that wind energy, use that energy with an electrolyzer, and generate hydrogen. And hydrogen then becomes the storage means, similar to a battery. Then at the time of need, that hydrogen can be used to fuel a vehicle, to fuel a generator, to be able to take that energy and then put it into use. The AC and the DC systems connect 13 different laboratories. So they're able to have a PV inverter in one laboratory connected to a PV array on the roof. And that distribution systems allows them to interconnect those laboratories. It's a highly configurable system. The labs aren't necessarily next to each other, but we don't want to use up as much of the system to connect too far away laboratories. So one of the innovations that we came up with is what we call a twist bus. So we took this bus, which is a great size, and we put it in a distribution room and then distribute it out from that room. And that allowed us to interconnect the laboratories differently to help our overall adjacency from lab to lab. Those components didn't readily exist in the marketplace. We did prototyping, we worked on a lot of development early on to make sure that the ultimate solution that we came up with and installed was a successful venture.